Welcome to the NASCAR Performance Lab here at Universal Technical Institute in Mooresville, North Carolina. My name's Scott Kazura. I was a NASCAR crew chief, car chief, mechanic for 21 years. I'm now an instructor here because I enjoyed it so much I wanted to teach the next generation of racers and automotive enthusiasts my trade. Over here in the NASCAR lab, we have it broken into a bunch of different sections. Over here we have fabrication. We're going to teach you how to work with metal, how to bend metal, how to work with all the tools you need to make any project for any race car or any vehicle. On this side, we're going to teach you how to set up the race cars, how to tune the cars, how to get them fast. We're going to weigh them and scale them. And then finally, we teach you 3 weeks of pit class, where we're actually going to teach you the fundamentals to have a fast pit stop, an efficient pit stop. With no mistakes, you can get out front and win that race. Here in the NASCAR Pit Lab, we're going to teach you more than just changing tires because there's a lot that goes into it. There's actually a lot of choreographed movements and steps. The jack man has to hop over at the right time. The tire changers have to hop over at the right time. Your tire carriers have to have the right movements. So at the end of the day, you have a very fast and efficient pit stop and you can wind up in the front during a race. Now, we're going to transition to one more part of the NASCAR lab, the spec engine class with Mr. Darrell Hoffman.
I am the instructor in the spec engine lab. The reason they called the spec engine lab is these LSs are a spec engine that you have to run in the ARCA series. So, and we also, we got dirt modifieds, asphalt modifieds. We got all different kind of teams that we actually do engines for in here. You can see cool trophies that we have that over 200 wins in this program for the students that actually get to build an engine, run it on the dyno, and then they can watch their engine online or on TV as it competes.